Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another session of Moldex 3D's webinar series. My name is Srikar Valluri, and I'll be your host today. The topic for today is going to be lightweighting and foaming as the focus of today's webinar. The topic or the focus for today is foaming. As all of you know, lightweighting is something that has been a focus across industries, especially true for the automotive industry. And there are different types of lightweighting that, depending on the application, companies are trying to evaluate or study. And like fiber-fill materials, composite materials, other manufacturing processes, and foaming is one of them. And that is exactly what we're going to talk about in today's session, is foaming portion in the lightweighting series. So when you talk about foaming as such can be divided into multiple different types. So you have thermoplastic materials or your resin matrix, you have thermoset materials, and depending on the kind of blowing agent you have or the process you have, there are multiple different categories for foaming. So for example, you could have a thermoplastic material combined with a chemical blowing agent, right, to cause some sort of a chemical foaming happening. Or you could have a physical foaming process happening, like mucil. When you have thermosetting materials, you can have a material like polyurethane that, foaming occurs upon mixing the different components. So we're going to touch upon each of these different aspects of foaming and look into each one, at a high level to see what is the process about, what are the challenges that this process faces, and how does simulation help in evaluating that particular foaming process.